Here is how to learn to code anything you want for 2025. Mastering the basics of programming means the ability to learn to code. You would select a language that's easy for beginners, such as Python or JavaScript. Both are higher-level languages with wide uses. The concepts you want to focus on when learning are variables, loops, conditionals, and functions, because all programming languages have their principles, just in a different syntax. This will give you a broader sense of the logic in coding and thus be easier for you when looking to advance. Coding is just as much about problem-solving as it is about syntax. Develop the skills that enable you to break down problems into small, manageable fragments. It sets a mindset for thinking algorithmically and creating effective solutions. Specialization is important to build anything. If you want to create websites, go with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Then continue to frameworks like React for the front end of the website. For backend development, do Node.js or Python. If interested in mobile development, learn Swift for iOS, Kotlin for Android, or Flutter for cross-platform apps. If you would like to create your own video game, try Unity with C# or Unreal Engine with C++. If you're interested in data science or AI, learn Python libraries for Pandas, TensorFlow, and PyTorch. You can also learn to work with embedded systems with C, C++, Arduino, or Raspberry Pi. In cybersecurity, build a foundation in Linux and networking fundamentals. One of the best ways to solidify your knowledge is by building projects that excite you. Start small, perhaps a personal website, a simple app, or a game, and scale up as your skills improve. Tackling real-world problems allows you to apply what you've learned practically. And as you should always try to avoid the trap of tutorial hell, where you endlessly follow tutorials without truly mastering the material. Coding is a journey best taken with others. Join communities of like-minded learners on platforms like Discord, Reddit, or local meetups. As you progress, learn about version control using Git and GitHub. Coding is a lifetime journey of learning and growth. Once comfortable, apply your knowledge to real-world problems by contributing to open-source projects. This is just the start for your learning adventure. I have videos on my channel just for your coding challenge, so make sure to check them out.